Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your seat on Wizz Air. First, log in to your Wizz account and open your booking. Inside your booking details, select Make Changes or Add or Modify Services. From there, you'll see the seat map. Choose your new seat and pay the applicable fee to confirm your change. Once complete, your booking will be updated and you'll receive a new boarding pass. Here are a few important things to remember. Fees apply. Changing seats isn't it free and the cost depends on the seat type and route. Time limits. You can change your seat online up to 3 hours before departure. Random seats. If you don't choose a seat when booking, Wizz Air assigns you one during check-in, which starts 24 hours before the flight. To change it, you'll need to pay for a different seat. Special assistance. If you need help with seating, contact Wizz Air's live chat or call center after booking. And that's it. That's how to change your seat on Wizz Air. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.